right, today we are going to show you how to make Jap-chae. Jap-chae, this dish here. And Master Chef Diego will demonstrate us how to make it on live. All right, so what is this, Diego?
This is a sweet potato noodle.
Soup?
Sweet.
Sweet potato noodle, okay? So we're gonna just throw it into hot water and for how long? Like 1 minute or something?
Yeah, 1 minute.
1 minute. We're gonna dip it into hot water. All right, sir. Okay. You're just waiting for, you're trying to mix it, right? Okay, got it. So we're gonna get bulgogi, about 1 scoop. That's about 4 ounces, right? Yeah, 4 ounces of bulgogi. And so carrots. That's what is this?
Sprouts.
Sprouts. Okay. And spinach. Mushrooms. And this is the radish. Okay.
And actually it's zucchini.
Zucchini, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Yes.
hoisin sauce.
That's already prepared, right?
Yeah.
What kind of sauce is that?
Hoisin.
Oyster?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce. Okay. So we're gonna
1 spoon.
1 spoon of oyster sauce, and that's already prepared, and we can use it ready. And then we want to mix it up nicely. Okay. Do we warm it up in the microwave?
No.
No? Okay. Alright, so this is the kind of plate we want to use.
Topping sesame oil.
Sesame oil, okay?
1 sip.
Yep, sesame oil,
Sesame seed.
sesame seed. Top it off. And then, was it dry seaweed?
Yeah.
Yes. Dry seaweed, and that's it. Alright, so, ladies and gentlemen, this is Jap-chae dish we would like to introduce to our menu. Alright, thank you, sir.